Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video we are going to see how to make the vertical WhatsApp status video. So many members have been asking about this, how to make it with a 4K video and without losing the quality. So let's start. First of all, create a new project on your Premiere Pro and create a new sequence by Ctrl and N. And go to the settings and make the editing mode to custom and the frames 60 and the frame size I am typing here 780 and 1720 and pixel aspect ratio square pixels. Then press OK. You can see here's a sequence creator. Now I am importing my video. Okay, so this is the video. Now you can see this, the video file is rendering here. Okay, render complete. Now just see what part you need to edit. Okay, we will take this part here. You can use your keyboard to move the frames and click the I button on your keyboard, so you will get the input here. And just click on the O button so you can get output. Then drag the video and audio to the timeline, and this will just untick this and keep the existing settings, so it will change your sequence settings ratio. And we just go and make this a 30 second longer, maybe 29 will be perfect. And just right click and unlink the audio and video and go to effects controls. Just scale it up to fit the fill in the black screens. Okay, now it's filled up. Okay, next step is most important. This you can see here the frames are changing here. So first of all, we just cut this from here, control with K. So and just move the frames to right 2 times. Okay, then again press K, control plus K to cut the frames in between. So you can see there's a gap here, so we just deleted 3 frames. So right click, go to speed and duration, and it's 257. We deleted 3 frames, so we have to add 3 frames. So you can just type in 3. Okay, and you know this is filled it. And make sure this link is not taken. You must keep the setting same like this. Okay, now you can adjust the first clip position. And we just do what we did on the previous. Just cut the last frame of the first clip and move 2 frames, and again cut and delete it. Then again go to Ctrl plus R for the duration and add 51 because we deleted 3 frames and we are adding it. So just do the same for the entire video. Okay, here is another one. We just go to where the frame is changing. Before, just go there and click on the left arrow button 1 time, then press Ctrl and K, then press the next clip and press the right button on the keyboard 2 times. Okay, now again press Ctrl K and delete it, and press the first clip and Ctrl R for opening the duration and change the duration to 23 or 22. If you delete 2 frames, you need to add 2 frames. If you delete 3 frames, you need to add 3 frames. And we have to do this between the whole video. is no time lapsing, this is my normal speed. And here's next frame. Control R for opening duration, don't forget that. Or if you need to go to duration by right clicking every time, you don't need to do that, just press Control and R. Okay, we can just stop this here and just play the video we just cut. Okay, you can adjust the position here. Just make a keyframe and go here and make another keyframe, so it will play like this. And just click on the position again and the keyframes. This is so lagging because it is 60 FPS. Okay. Okay, we can just make move here. All the positioning and the keyframings are depends on you. Okay, this is so complicated, so we can just rotate it and adjust this zoom a little bit. Okay, minus 90. Okay, this is okay. Okay, no, we just adjusting the position here. Okay, we can just cut here and give the one portion to Allu Arjun and another for Puja. And again adjust this. Okay, first one for Allu, second one for Puja. Can you move this here? So they are just moving there. So we can make keyframes here, 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 and the last one more. Okay, and this is the whole process, and just click all the clips, select all of them and right click them, go to the time interpolation and put the optical flow there. Then we need to click on the project, then go file and new and adjustment layer. Just click on OK and drag it to top of this Okay, now go to the effects and search for sharpen, and you can see the sharpen here. We are deciding this and adding sharpen amount to 20, whatever you want. The more you put the sharpen, the more your clip will be crisp. Okay, now we added the optical flow and we added the sharpen here. If you want any color correction, you can go to the color tab and add any LUTs, and we are just adding a fade out effect here. Click on the layer, keyframe, and just making it -30. Okay, and Ctrl+M for the exporting. After exporting the video, you can just compress it with a software called Handbrake. I use Handbrake, and there's a tutorial available for you in the same channel. You can use it in the latest WhatsApp update. The quality is breaking very much, so if you want to keep the quality, then you have to put the bitrate to 1400, 1400, not the 400, 4000 above one, just 1400. Then you can put the quality status without losing any frames or making it blurry grains or anything. Hope this video helps you. If you have any doubts, just comment down or ask us in the channel group or anywhere, WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere. We will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.